Hello again. This is a continuation of a series of videos I've been doing over the last few weeks and months around stage presence. And today I want to talk about moving. Now, often I will say to people, please don't wander on stage and certainly don't dance when people are sort of, hopping from foot to foot or just sort of shuffling around on the spot. Moving's important as long as you move with purpose and move with strength. Stage presence, I think, is brought about when people are deliberate in their actions on stage. I talked in an earlier video about slowing down your arrival on stage and your opening, and I think this sort of comes from the same place. Think about how you can make your movements larger, possibly slower, and deliberate. What we don't want is just sort of flapping around, and we certainly don't want people wandering around the stage. You may well want to start on one side of the stage, tell a story, and then move across to another part of the stage, partly sort of delineate you're now moving into a different section, but also so that you can connect with an audience on this side of the room. But do it with purpose. Don't wander. Finish what you're saying on one side of the stage, walk across, potentially saying, and now I'm going to tell you a different story or some other connecting comment to this side of the stage, and then continue. Again, this is one of those things that takes practice. It's also useful to watch yourself on video. Look for the points when you're speaking or presenting, when perhaps you are just wandering, or it just sort of is happening a bit sort of in a slightly more too relaxed manner. It's not that you're going to be formal or stiff, but it's got to have purpose. If you are just wandering because you're nervous, that's going to undermine your stage presence. So think about how you can move with purpose at set times, rehearse those movements into your talk, and actually will help to really give you stage presence. I hope that helps. While you are here, if you want more great content, then please do hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified whenever I put up new videos here on YouTube. If you come to this via the YouTube search, while you're here, in the description below, you'll find a link to my email newsletter, which comes up every other week with a roundup of presenting tips and some other great content from around the web. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.